Last day of summer, of freedom, of her. So I unlock the darkness and let in the light, leave my worries at home and get on my bike and ride till my skin feels at home in the soft streaming air. My chain an extension of me, through its gears I tear, till I'm there. Ring the bell twice, secret language, you and I. Off we fly, to the houses of paper and small as stones, till the signal runs out and we're truly alone, to the place we know but never decide to go. We just go. Paths I know like the back of your freckled hand, waiting by the break but always in command. To go, go, go. Forwards we fly, towards knowing and seeing and leaving this little world behind. In our slipstream dreams surrounded by green, wanting to be found, needing to be seen, searching for what could have been if we had less layers and walls, close enough to touch but far enough to fall. Tell me you'll miss us as we struggle in the grass that grew too tall. I'll always associate your name with these golden, hazy days and lazy trains of thought, bringing you closer to the end of everything you fought for. Being with you makes me want to bet on life. Dandelions point towards the dispersion I long to forget. A three-word phrase I just can't get out of my head and into the air. Did you forget about the game? Life's never fair. Nature has shifted whilst we've stayed the same. Two lost frames, sharing their days. If we stayed forever, could we never change? Back through the places I thought were my home, back to the concrete and metal and phones. Guide me to nowhere but you, and the last of that true blue. I pray we don't fade. Do you too? Do you? everything, then nothing. Regret lingering in the air. Everything, then nothing. Moving on to something, somewhere. Everything, then nothing. The last of summer streaming through her hair. Last day of summer. Of freedom.